Hello again and welcome back to my lesson planner tutorials. Today in this short video we're going to show you some quick ways to be able to edit your lesson plans. We've started with a lesson plan right here on your calendar. So you click that to open. One of the ways that you can edit your lesson plans is to edit right from this page. There is an edit in place editor that saves automatically. So you can click in these spaces down here and begin typing. Start typing something here. And it automatically saves for you as you type. At the top there, when you are typing something, you can type some information there. This is the title of your lesson plan. And we've actually put in subject and unit in this particular template. I think we can do a little bit better there. Let's actually put a subject in there. Let's put English. And a typical unit you might use for English would be, say, poetry. So we'll put that down as the unit topic. And just, if you hit enter, it's going to go down to another space. But if you will click away, then it will save it for you. Just click out of the box. Now you're going to want to get to other parts of your lesson plan, so I'll show you a couple of other ways that you can also edit your lesson plans. Simply come over to this little edit wheel, come right down to where it says edit using the wizard. And the wizard is basically a step-by-step process to be able to show you every step of the way how to write your lesson plans. Step one, obviously, is let's select your standards. So you click on tab 1, then you can go down and choose your standards just like you did on the very first page. It opens up tier by tier just like you saw before. You can click on your standards at any point. While you're choosing your standards, you can choose standards across all curriculum. It doesn't have to be in just one particular grade level or one particular subject. The next tab over is your objective. Now, on this particular template, we have actually added some verbiage in this objective box. Typically, it might be completely blank. The next area is actually the meat and potatoes of your lesson plan, and you can add any information here just like you did before. This one's completely accessible. All three ways that we can do some editing on lesson plans. And the last section is the components. We could not get to this from the other way that I showed you on the edit in place. This is where you can add your vocabulary words. We'll actually look up the definition for you. If there are multiple definitions, we'll give you your choices. And it will add your vocabulary word and the definition. These little accordion boxes down below are your lesson set components. These are the things that you might need to click on to document certain things in your lesson plans. Much of this is for the accountability piece of what we do in our classrooms and for lessons. Sometimes making accommodations for students, showing what technology we're using, or what levels of blooms are typical. Just clicking on a few of these for you here, so you can see how they show in your lesson plans. Scroll back up. And then we'll go to the very last tab, which is to save. On this way to edit, you must click save. Now you can begin to see how this begins to show on your lesson plans. Those components are beginning to show up. You can see where you can see the vocabulary words. And scrolling down, you can see any other things that we made edits to in the wizard. There's another way that you can also make changes in the way that your lesson plans look. If you've added component items and you're not able to see them, just come down over here to the layouts, you'll use that little icon over there that looks like newspaper layout. And then choose a different layout so that you can see some other things in your lesson plan or hide things that you don't want to show. This is the one we are using for this particular lesson plan. Another way that you can edit your lesson plans is to go into the full edit page. You'll be able to see here, this is everything that you could see in the step-by-step on the wizard, but it's all in one page. Your objective is in the box there, just below, and then that's the meat and potatoes. There's actually a heading section for that particular lesson block. And you see your vocabulary down there. And as you scroll down, you can get to those lesson set components on the left and also your standards over on the right. Again, you can use this little area here just like you would basically a Word document. You can even add images and emoticons, as you can see here. And bold, italicize, underline, put it in color, add special characters. We even have a music font for you music teachers. And then when you are finished, just make sure you do click Save. Anytime that you want to be able to get to your preferences, simply mouse over your quick links. And you can also get to your calendar that way. So just when you click on quick links, it's going to take you straight to your calendar. And then you can go down to Preferences here. Preferences is where we set up what you want to see in your lesson plans and how you want them to act. We've actually set them up for this particular video, and so in this particular account. So yours, if you're starting out and it looks a little different, it's because that hasn't been changed in your preferences. And again, just clicking quick links brings you right back to your calendar. And if at any point that you need us, simply click on the Contact Us and tell us how we can help you.